Today is my last lecture at Taylor's University and in Malaysia. Who knows, maybe this is my last lecture in my life, as I don't have any idea about my future. I don't know where I will be next year, what will be my career next year. I have no idea, no clue. This semester I covered various finance topics, but now I want to share the most important one. Don't focus too much on money. Money doesn't bring long-lasting happiness for you. The happiness from money is not sustainable. There is a large body of research supporting this notion. Yeah, I understand. If you get $1 million now, you will be extremely happy. But this is temporary. This won't be for a long time. So my advice to you is don't trade friendship, family, and time for money. Don't focus too much on money. Focus on what makes you happy. Follow your dreams, but the dreams that benefit the community. Shift your focus from yourself to the community, and later money will come. I understand that the whole semester was about finance and money, but you should not focus too much on money. Let me share one of my favorite stories with you. Maybe you have heard it, but it's worth hearing it again. I have it here. Let me find this. Yeah. There once was a little kitten chasing his tail around and around. An old wise cat stopped to watch him for a while. He asked the little kitten, "Why are you chasing your tail around and around?" The little kitten said, "I've just returned from cat philosophy school where I learned two important things. The first thing is that happiness is the most important thing in the whole world. And the second is the happiness is at the end of my tail." The little kitten continued to explain, "I know that if I can catch the end of my tail, then I will have hold of happiness, and I never have to let it go." The old cat laughed and said, "I never had the opportunity to attend cat philosophy school, but my life here on the streets has also taught me some valuable lessons. I also have learned that happiness is the most important thing, and it is indeed located in my tail. However, I have discovered that if I chase it, I will never be able to reach it. Also, I have learned that if I go about doing what I'm supposed to be doing, I find that happiness follows me everywhere I go." So shift your focus from money to something that you are passionate about, something that you are supposed to be doing, and always ask yourself, what are the benefits of what I'm doing to the community? I didn't teach you finance to make you rich. Many of you ask me this question, "Sir, will you make me rich?" I didn't teach you finance to make you rich. My goal was to help you have a better control over your finances so that money is not your main concern. The most valuable assets that you have are not stocks, are not bonds, and are not your bank accounts. Your real assets are family, friends, and your time. And this is what I've learned in my life. And I've paid a lot to learn this lesson. So in the end, I'd like to tell you that I'm very proud of you, regardless of your finance marks, your midterm test, your assignment, your performance in this subject. And thank you very much for this wonderful semester. And I'm just very sad that I didn't have the chance to see you in a face-to-face class. So best wishes to all of you and keep in touch. So this was my last lecture, maybe in my life, I don't know. Okay, sorry.